Do you run a website but not getting enough traffic on it? This video is just for you. Please stay here till the end to know what is SEO and how you can use it for your blog or website. So let me start with an example. For instance, you run a clothing brand and you have even set up a blog for its online promotion where you post every day, but you still are not getting enough visitors. The only solution to your problem here is SEO or search engine optimization, a term you may or may not have heard before. So let's make your journey easier and start off with what is SEO. SEO is a process that improves our site's visibility so that when people search for the product or service related to your business, your website is going to appear higher on Google, Bing and other search engines. The better visibility your pages have, the more attention your website is going to get, and as a result you will be able to attract potential customers to your business. SEO also increases brand awareness, attract local customers, build credibility and trust, and all this is possible without making a hole in your pocket. To get the maximum advantage of SEO, you will need to work on two types of SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO requires you to optimize your website both in terms of content that you post and other technical aspects such as HTML source code, schema, meta tags and so on. The tools that can help you with on-page SEO are Google Webmaster and Google Analytics, that are Google's own tools. And you can also consider some third-party tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush. These tools will help you find out popular terms associated with the content that you are going to publish on your website or blog. Now, if you run a clothing line, you will need to look for search terms associated with fashion, clothing and related topics. Once you found these search terms, you can start using them in your content. You can start off with an interesting introduction and try to use these search terms naturally in your blogs. You can also include keywords in your actual content, and to make it more appealing, you can add relevant images and videos. This will also increase credibility and engagement, and ultimately Google will show your content to more people. Next, you have to work on meta content that search engine displays when your post will appear in search results. You have to optimize meta tags, alt tags, header tags, and this will sum up the on-page aspect of SEO. After completing this, you will definitely see an increase in the number of visitors coming to your blog. After doing all you could do on your webpage, you can now move to off-page SEO. Off-page SEO involves doing things outside your website to increase your search engine ranking. This will improve the site's popularity, relevance, trustworthiness and authority. And this is possible when there are reputable websites giving you backlinks, social media marketing, guest blogging, linked or unlinked brand mention, influencer marketing and much more. Also, to promote your content more, you will have to share it on all your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, together with niche platforms like Quora, Reddit and Medium. This will help you achieve greater reach for your website by sending stronger social signals to search engines, and this will result in your page ranking higher for related search terms and audience. So that was all the basic information I thought you need to know about SEO. I hope this helps, and if it does, do tell me in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback for our new SEO series that we have recently started. You can also give your suggestions for the next video, and for more SEO related content you can pay a visit to my website, that is getassist.net, where you will find a lot of SEO related content written by experts. With that, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.